That's awesome. Okay. So in this guided meditation, we'll just spend, a few minutes tuning into your inner golden compass. Okay? So if you can always come back and revisit this meditation, and if you don't feel like you can meditate, I'm just going to guide you through the whole thing. It'll be loads of fun. I hear from people all the time. They love them. So I invite you to stay and we'll go through this. So, first of all, get yourself comfortable, close your eyes, and just tap into the inner stillness. Just follow your breath. And as you're breathing, take a breath in. When you breathe in through your nose and it flows through your sinuses, it calms your vagus nerve, which is one of the largest nerves in your entire nervous system. And it sends a calming frequency through that vagus nerve that then sends a calming frequency to your entire nervous system. And then you exhale out stress. Every time, see, I'm a registered nurse, so I love all this body stuff. In through the nose, through the sinuses, calming your nervous system, exhaling stress. With each exhale, allow your body to calm and imagine you're at that inner still point between the two worlds, the physical world, the spiritual world. We're going to rest in that space between. We're not going to be pulled by either right now. You're just going to be. And in that space between, that perfect still point of you, go ahead and just imagine that you're going to anchor that calm, still point to the center of the earth. And now call through a cosmic light. It can be, let's just say it's gold, like the golden compass. Let's just bring in that alchemical. Scorpio is the alchemist. Let's bring in that golden alchemy of liquid golden light. And it's going to flow right through the center still point of calm in between both realms, both worlds. You're right in the middle. Just let it flow down through that center point all the way down to the center of the earth. Now feel into or visualize or hear or know two vast planes of existence, of reality. And one of those planes is the visible world form of noise, material, wealth, structure. So you're standing in that center still point. Maybe you want to stretch your left arm out to kind of feel into, sense the chaotic, maybe it's chaotic, noisy, physical realm where your human life exists. So take a minute just to feel into that realm while you're in the middle calm point. Now pull your arm out, your awareness out of the physical world. Realign with that calm inner still point right in the middle, and then take your right arm and then tap into the spiritual realm where your intuitive senses exist. Your inner golden compass of intuition navigating system exists. See if you can sense and feel into that world. Can you sense, feel the frequency, the subtleness, the intuitiveness? Now pull your arm back, pull your awareness back, come right into the center of those two worlds as this golden elixir of light is flowing through that central channel anchored into the earth. Can you get a sense of how you can begin to bring balance to those two worlds? How to be able to live in both worlds at the same time. Those worlds running side by side are like two rivers flowing in perfect parallel. One is this beautiful, silvery, reflective, shiny light, and the other one's solid, earthly gold. Feel their vibration and know that both are very real and both are a part of you. Now allow yourself to lightly tap into that realm of the Scorpio frequency current. Just a very light current that's going to run right through that still point. That it's still, it's reflective. What's going to block you from being able to live in both worlds, those deep aspects inside of you, and just let it drain right down the grounding, just in that inner calm, still point. Just let that gold dissolve any blocks so that you know with great clarity your inner compass can click into the truth that you can find balance and harmony between both realms. Now imagine in the center of your chest a small golden compass. So remember, you're still in that point between two realms. You're in that really the space between. You've got this small golden compass appearing, and its face is luminous. You can feel its luminosity, and the needle begins to spin. As you are aware of it, you can also hold it in your hand. Remember, it does not spin when you're in your mind. It only spins when you are in your intuitive self. Because it's not guided by logic, but by the subtle pulse of your soul. Watch the needle spin and ask, show me the truth I am ready for. And sense that needle spinning is starting to slow and slow and slow until with that Taurus frequency, click, show me the truth I am ready for. It may show you as an image or a color, a word, a sensation. Receive the meaning without forcing it. You're in that in-between, still, calm place. Let the compass speak to you. Feel the truth. Let your body register the message. Now imagine those two realms again, the physical and the spiritual. Ground the lightning of Uranus and Taurus and your golden compass all begin to merge at that center point as one field inside of you, one realm inside of you. Breathe in and out, calming your nervous system as you draw those two rivers of consciousness. One is your earthly consciousness, your human consciousness. The other one's your spiritual consciousness. Draw them together as they synergize and settle. You have access to both worlds. You carry the compass, the alethiometer, the truth measurer, and you are aligned with your truth. All right, whenever you're ready, thank your body, thank your spirit, thank all the community from all over the world that joined you in this meditation. And even when you're watching the replay, there's many, many people watching the replay right at the same time. And so when you're ready, you can open your eyes, look around the room, stretch your body. November, yeah, it's going to keep us busy. We're ready for it. We're ready to really tap into our intuition more, even if you don't feel like you have an intuitive bone in your body. All right, everyone. I'll see you next week. But I'm definitely thrilled to be in the river of life together with you. And let's make this November absolutely incredible. All right. All right. Thanks, everyone.